Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to change username on a TikTok. So first thing that you will do is simply click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and a drop down will show up, and from here you should be able to see here guys, view profile. So just simply click on view profile over here, and now from here you should be able to see edit profile. So click on this option over here. And now, as you can see, you should be able to see here username. So as you can see, we have a description over here that username can only contain a letter, number, underscore, and period. So guys, changing your username will also change your profile link. So just simply provide the username that you prefer. So I'm going to go for best solution just for now. And as you can see, if it's available, it will have a check. But if it doesn't, as you can see, it will show something like this. So now, once you find something that is available, you can just simply click on save over here and click on confirm. And as you can see, we have a warning that you can change your username once every 30 days only. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.